is what you'll need for my bang bang shrimp. Some shrimps, or in my case king prawns, either will do. For the sauce you're going to need something hot. You're going to need some mayo, some honey, and I like a bit of sweet chilli sauce as well, just to add to the sweetness. For the tempura batter you're going to need some sparkling water, plain flour and a bit of salt and pepper. First thing we're going to do is make up the tempura batter. So into a bowl with your flour, your sparkling water, approximately twice as much water. So say you've got 200 ml in water and 100 grams flour, so it's a 2-to-1 ratio. And then into there with some salt and pepper. And then it's time to either get a pan out and put some oil in, or get your deep fat fryer, even better. Make sure your oil's up to temperature. It wants to be the same temperature that you cook chips or fries in, which is around 180, 190, depending on your appliance. Then get your prawns, give them a coating of flour so that your batter's going to stick properly to them. And then it's into said batter, and away they go. When they've had a couple of minutes, so they've gone nice and crispy and a light golden brown, turn them out onto some kitchen roll, and then we're going to get on with the sauce. Then it's just a case of drizzling this sauce onto your prawns, and then just give them a good mix round to make sure that the sauce gets everywhere. A nice way to serve them is to put them onto some lettuce leaves, then you can just push the leaves together and crunch it into your mouth.